Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon hairstyle. I've started with curly hair, but this doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm just taking a small pea-size amount of fibre gum and massaging it into my hands and spreading it over the head. Then I'm just going to comb this through the hair with a wide tooth comb, and this really helps with any flyaways. Next, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out on either side of the face. And I'm going to take some texture powder and pop this at the roots. I'll pop all products in the description for you. Then if you don't like back combing, you can skip this step, but I've just added a touch of teasing to the top of the head. Now we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear, so straight across. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. And we're just going to tie this at the back of the head into a ponytail. Now clip this ponytail out of the way, and with the remaining hair we're going to split this in half, and then we're going to secure each half into a low ponytail. So you should have 3 ponytails all together. Then use your fingers to pinch and pull at the crown for some more texture. And taking that top ponytail, I'm going to twist it all in one direction. And then I'm going to bring it underneath the left ponytail, and then over the top of the left ponytail, all the way to the opposite side, bringing it over the top of the right hand ponytail. Then just secure it all the way through the twist with as many bobby pins as needed. Next, I'm going to take some texture spray and apply it to that twist. Again, I'll pop it in the description below, and then just pinch and pull that twist apart. Then taking hold of the left hand ponytail, again twist this all in one direction, and I'm going to bring this over the top of the right hand ponytail and slightly underneath. And again secure to the head through the middle of the twist using as many bobby pins as needed. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull that twist apart. Now with the remaining hair, I'm going to again twist it all one direction, bringing it over to the opposite side of the head and securing through the centre with a few bobby pins. Apply your texture spray and really pinch and pull the twist apart for some more volume and texture. Now with the last remaining ends, again we're just going to bring these over to the right hand side, twisting as we go, but this time I'm going to add an elastic band on the end, but to create a loop on the last turn, we're just going to fold that loop underneath the hair and pin it to the bottom of the bun using a few more pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.